functioning in Iraq. Part of the reason why I called for a gradual withdrawal as opposed to a precipitous one was precisely because more work needs to be done on the political side.
Come on.
To further isolate
Here you go.
Whatever remnants of Al-Qaeda in Iraq still exist. And I'm very confident that with our commander...
There you go, you got it.
General Guerrero.
Oh, how about this? Oh, here we go. There you go. Go get it.
And already getting his team in place, that they are going to be able to work effectively.
Oh no, we don't need Mommy's book.
To create the conditions.
Come on.
An ultimate transfer.
Come on, you can get it. Look. You can get it.
But there's some
Casey.
serious work to do.
Don't get on the blanket, Casey.
Making sure that how they
Girly.
divvy up oil revenues is ultimately settled. What the provincial powers are.
Okay.
Boundaries.
Look, you're getting there.
The
You're getting there. Oh, you're trying to figure it out.
The central government, the relationship between the Shia and the Kurds, are they incorporating?
You gotta figure it out. There you go.
Sunnis, Sons of Iraq into
Yeah.
the structure of the armed forces in a way that's equitable and just. Those are all issues.
There it is. Yay! We got the remote control.
What we